Hi, 8th grade. Happy week 3 of virtual learning. This is the week after spring break. I hope y'all had a great spring break and are refreshed and ready to get some work done. So this week is starting off on April 20th, and it's from April 20th through the 27th. So all the work that you're going to be doing this week will be due on Monday the 27th. So if we take a look at the stream, remember the main screen that we are on, we're going to go to our week 3, and these are the things that you're going to use to help you with your classwork. So this is your supplemental information. This first one is a video that I've created that I've made on water quality. It's going to talk and walk you through all of the different aspects of water quality and what we use to test for water quality, the procedures that take place. You have a practice Kahoot. You will be taking a graded Kahoot, which is the same exact one here, but the graded Kahoot is going to be found in the classwork section. I'll talk about that when we get there. We also have a water quality indicators PowerPoint that's very informative and helpful. So take a look at that. And then we have some Quizlet terms. Now, for some reason, I'm not quite sure, the Quizlet label is called engineering. It's not. If you open those up, they are related to water quality. So just because it says engineering, I don't know what's going on, but they are relating to water quality. So take a look at those. You can practice those as well. So this is going to, like I said, be the information to help you for your assignments this week. So if I exit out of here and I go to classwork, which is where you're going to find your assignments, I'm going to open up week 3. And like I said, you have a due date that is the 27th. You also do not have any IXLs for the week. So starting off with your actual work, you have a water quality reading, which I'm going to link here, but you can also access it through the 2-column notes. If you open those up, the reading is going to be linked here. You can open it up in your drive, but this is the reading that I am referencing. So you're going to read through this. It's going to talk about each indicator of water quality, like color, turbidity, pH. So you're going to read through that. That's going to be your first assignment, is to do the reading. The second assignment is to actually do the 2-column notes. So one day you're going to read using that link. The next day you're actually going to complete the 2-column notes. Y'all should be experts on 2-column notes by now, so I'm not going to go in depth with explaining what that is. You know to take it step by step, paragraph by paragraph, and find supporting details that discuss your main idea. So after the reading and the 2-column notes, you also have a virtual water quality testing lab. That's going to be here. It's neatly labeled. You open it up. And you're going to just follow through. You have a website that you're going to open with the link. It looks like this. So you need to make sure that your Adobe Flash Player is working. You might get this pop-up. You always click Allow, and it's going to take you to this site. So if you're seeing this, you're on the right page. So this is going to ask you to first define these terms. It's going to tell you the procedure, meaning what you need to do to actually complete the virtual lab, okay? Please make sure you read through all of this because it's not hard, but it's more tedious. So I don't want you to get confused because you're not taking the time to read the actual directions, okay? So after you read the directions and you start working, you're actually going to enter in the data into this data table. So it's going to give you this information for each of these locations, like the city, the lake, the mountains. and you're going to have to tell me the different aspects of the water quality in those areas. And then afterwards, you have questions to answer. So this is probably a lengthy assignment. It will more than likely take you around 45 minutes to an hour to complete. So if you want to come back to it and spend a couple days to work on it, that is perfectly fine. If you want to do it all in one day, that's perfectly fine as well. It's up to you. It's how you use your time. So that is going to be your virtual quality or water quality test lab. So that will take some time. That's probably your longest assignment. But like I said, please make sure you look over those directions so that you know exactly what you need to do. And then lastly, like I said, you have that Kahoot game that's going to be graded. It's exactly like the one on the stream. But I will say, please, please, please make sure that you put your actual name, first and last name, no nicknames. Make sure they're school appropriate, which your name should be school appropriate. And that's it for this week. So it's not a ton of work. We're kind of easing back into virtual learning. So I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Bye.